Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine. So today we'll see how to make grilled pomfret in microwave. Take 1.5 spoon of ginger garlic paste in a plate. Add 2 spoons of garam masala powder. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Add 2 spoons of coriander powder and a quarter spoon of cumin powder. Add 4 spoons of red chili powder. Add enough salt to taste. Add 1 full lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. I have taken black pomfret fish, cleaned and degutted, washed twice with turmeric and salt. Apply the masala all over the fish, deep inside the slits. Now grease the baking dish with little oil. Transfer the fish to that and keep aside for about 1 hour. After an hour, place the high rack in the oven. Place the baking dish on it and grill it for about 20 minutes. This is one of the easiest recipes anyone can do. It turned out very yummy and tastier. Please do try at least once and let me know in my comment section below. After 20 minutes, take out and flip it over. Be very careful while doing that. Drizzle little oil over it and grill it for another 10 minutes. That's all. Yummy grilled fish is ready. To serve hot, serve as a starter. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. See how tender and juicy the piece is. It's very tasty. This fish doesn't have much thorns, so kids would love to have this. I have served with mayonnaise. You can serve anyhow. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.